Dear students, welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss another poem, that is Solitary Reaper, which is written by William Wordsworth. We will discuss some multiple choice questions which are expected to be set in your exam. Let's start. The Scottish young farm worker is described by William Wordsworth as a reaper, a Highland lass, a maiden, all the above. Correct answer, all the above. Number 2. Why does the poet say, stop here or gently pass? Options: to enjoy the beauty of valley, to enjoy the beauty of Scottish girl, not to disturb the mesmerizing song of the girl, to record the girl's song in his heart. Correct option: not to disturb the mesmerizing song of the girl. Question number 3. What is the deep valley overflowing with? The reaper's sweet voice, the song of the cuckoo bird, the song of the nightingale, the music of fountain. Correct option A, the reaper's sweet music. Question number 4. What is the only one thing which is very clear to the poet? The subject matter of the song, the language of the song was very sad, it was an ordinary song. Correct option is the song was very sad. Question number 5. The poet comes across the solitary reaper during his visit to the Arabian deserts, the British Isles, the Hebrides Islands, the mountain regions of Scotland. Correct option D, the mountain regions of Scotland. Question number 6. Whose song soothes tired travelers in the deserts? The cuckoo birds, the nightingales, the birds, the doves. Correct option, the nightingales. Question number 7. Where does the cuckoo bird sing? In deserts, in the farthest Hebrides, in oasis, in the valley. Correct option, in the farthest Hebrides. What does the poet guess about the theme of the girl's song? Option A, sorrow. Option B, loss. Option C, pain. Option D, sorrow, loss or pain. Correct option is D, sorrow, loss or pain. Question number 9. Which one is not a possibility about the theme of the girl's song? Death of a loved one, a calamity in the past, battles long ago, marriage of the maiden. Correct option is D, marriage of the maiden. Question number 10. The poet compared the reaper's song with the song of cuckoo, the song of nightingale, the song of the travelers, the song of the cuckoo and the nightingale. Correct option is D, the song of the cuckoo and the nightingale. Why does the poet listen girl's song motionless and still? Girl's sweet voice holds him mesmerized and spellbound. He was tired. He tried to understand the song. He was attracted by the girl's beauty. Correct option is A. Girl's sweet voice holds him mesmerized and spellbound. Question number 12. As if her song could have no ending, it means she was singing non-stop. The song contains an everlasting universal theme. Her song was too big to end. Her song echoed in the valley. Correct option is the song contains an everlasting universal theme. The peasant girl's song is not intelligible to the poet because he can't hear well the song. Her voice is too low. He is far away from the girl. He doesn't understand the language of the song. Correct option is he doesn't understand the language of the song. Question number 14. What does the poet describe in the poem? Universality of a sweet song. Universality of sweet songs, a memorable experience which has a long-lasting impression on him. Impact of sorrow, loss or pain. Sweet song of a beautiful girl. Correct option is a memorable experience which has a long-lasting impression on him. Question number 15. What is the central idea of the poem? Loss or pain makes a song sweet. Sweet music appeals to all. Beautiful experiences have long-lasting effects. Rich harvest makes the reaper happy. Correct option is beautiful experiences have long-lasting effects. Next question. Who is or are thrilled by the song of the cuckoo bird? The poet, the reaper, the travelers in the desert, islanders. Correct option is islanders. Last question. Whose song is more thrilling? The cuckoos, the nightingales, the reapers, the cuckoo and the nightingales. Correct option is the reapers or the song of the solitary reaper. That's much. Thank you for watching this video.